You can get paid $5.85 every minute on complete autopilot using this new passive income online business. And you can get paid into your PayPal account, Payoneer account, Google Wallet, Apple Wallet, different gift cards, or directly into your bank account. So even if PayPal is not available in your country, you can take withdrawals directly into your local bank account. So like this video, and let's start with the first step, which is to come over to this AI tool called Leonardo.ai. Now this tool is completely free to use, so you can just click on the Get Started and register yourself using your Google account. Leonardo AI is a tool that helps you to create stunning images like this you are seeing on your screen right now with just a simple text prompt. And the good thing is, these free AI-generated images will help you to set up and create a passive income source that's going to pay you $5.85 every minute on complete autopilot. You just need to set up this system once, and you will keep earning money like this on complete autopilot. So once you log into your account, I want you to click where it says Image Generation, and that's going to take you to this page where you can type some simple prompts in this box and create stunning images like this. And the good thing is that Leonardo AI will provide you with 150 credits per day that you can use to create awesome designs, images, and illustration using them. So today, I want you to create a simple drawing of a dog. So we will type the prompt something like this: black and white dog on a white background, and we will press enter. But make sure you have selected at least 4 number of images from the settings on the left-hand side. And as you can see, our drawings are ready, and you can choose any one of them you like. Just like this, I want you to create some more images of cats, lions, and other pets and wild animals. Now the step number 2 is to come over to Printify.com. I will leave a link to Printify in the description of this video and the pinned comment. Printify is a print-on-demand platform where you can find different white label products like t-shirts, pillows, mugs, posters, and canvas that can be printed on. All you have to do is pick out one of these products and upload some designs to it, whether that is an image, text, or an AI-generated design or drawings, just like ours. After that, you can list your items on different e-commerce platforms like Etsy, Amazon, etc. And whenever someone buys your items from these e-commerce sites, the order will be fulfilled by Printify, and you will get your profit for that sale. As you can see, this digital items shop of Printable Lisa Pets is selling just black and white digital images on Etsy, and they have already got over 29,000 sales. And on an average, each of these digital drawing images sells for $5.85. So if we do the math, they have already earned over $170,000 just by selling these AI-generated images on Etsy. And the good thing is that now Etsy is available in all countries around the world. So you can be from the United States, Canada, Australia, India, Philippines, Nepal, Pakistan, Bangladesh, or any country around the world. And you can still earn money with Etsy. Just like this, if I show you this Pinky Art shop on Etsy, they are just selling custom canvas images of different animals, custom family street sign canvas, and different quote canvas for a good average amount of $30 per canvas. They have got over 30,000 sales. And if we do the math, they have earned close to $1 million by just selling these canvas designs on Etsy. And creating these canvases is really easy, which I will be showing you today. So basically, this is print-on-demand business, just like a simple dropshipping of canvas, mugs, or t-shirt designs, where you use AI tools to create stunning designs, and a supplier like Printify provides you with white label products and takes care of all the printing and shipping of the products. So when one of Etsy's 450 million monthly visitors finds your shop and orders that item, it will go straight to Printify. The design that you uploaded will be printed on the canvas and shipped off directly to your customer without you ever having to have a physical location, a website, or ever run any ads. Printify will take care of all of this, and you will get your profits for every sale on complete autopilot. Printify integrates directly with Etsy's marketplace, making the whole process extremely easy. This is one of the easiest businesses that you can start to make money online for completely free and without investing any money. So the step number 3, once you understand how things work here, I want you to click the first link in the description of this video or the pinned comment and sign up to Printify. Once you log into your Printify account, this is how your dashboard will look like. And the first thing I want you to do is to click on my new store and select add a new store from there. That's going to take you to this page right here where you can connect your Etsy store, Shopify store, TikTok US store, eBay, Walmart, and many other stores from there. But I would suggest you create your Etsy store and then connect it on Printify. If you already have any other store, you can connect that too with Printify. After that, I want you to click on the catalog option from the left and select canvas under the home and living section. That's going to take you to this page where you can see different white label canvas designs with different sizes. And if this is your first time creating these canvas designs, I would suggest you go with any of the first 3 canvas right here. So let's move forward with this one. And on this page, you will be shown the details of this size of canvas. And from the different mock-ups here, you can see how this canvas will look on the walls. If you scroll down a little bit, sometimes here you can see different providers of a product, and you can just select the one that seems good fit for your product. In our canvas case, there is only one provider, so we'll just start designing our canvas with it. So on this page here, you can start designing your canvas. And for this, I want you to come back to our AI tool, Leonardo.ai. And if you remember, we just created dogs, cats, and lions drawing here. And now you need to download those images one by one that are perfect for our canvas design. So for example, to download this image, I will just click on it, and then I will just click on this download icon over here, and the image will be downloaded to my device. And once you download all those images, the step number 4 is I want you to come back to Printify again and upload the image that you want in your first design. So for example, I want this dog with orange glasses in my first canvas, so I will just click on Upload, double click on my device, and upload the image to Printify. So you can see the image on our canvas, which we need to edit a bit to make it look perfect. And for this, we can use different amazing features of Printify that you can see right here. For example, our image has a background, and that won't look good on our canvas. So to remove the background, we just need to select our image and click on the Remove Background feature of Printify. A pop-up window will open where you can either remove the background yourself, or you can just press the quick remove button, and in just a few seconds, the Printify AI will nicely remove the background from your image. After that, you just need to click on Apply, and the filter will apply to your image. Now we can just adjust the image according to the size of our canvas, and once you are done, you can just click on Preview to preview how your image will look on this canvas. So you can see the front preview, the side preview, the context 1, and the context 2 preview. And if everything seems fine, you can just click on the Save Product to save this product design to your Printify account, which you can find under My Products in your account. Otherwise, you can click the Edit button and keep editing the image till it looks perfect according to you. Just like this, we can now upload another image to our canvas on Printify and create another design on it. Now, if you don't find some great AI tool to create these images, you can just use the Printify AI image generator from the left. A pop will open up where you can enter a simple prompt to create your image. For example, I created this image just by writing this small text prompt, drawing of a dog on a white background, and the Printify AI created this amazing design for me. Just like this, you can create different designs for your store and use them on your canvas or any other white label product on Printify. You can also add different texts to your design if you want to, and different graphics to it. Printify has all the elements that help you to create a winning product for e-commerce stores, like these fresh plants graphics that you can use on your canvas and make your canvas look really amazing. Just like this, you can create different catalogs of products on Printify that you can then list on your Etsy store. And every time someone buys an order from your Etsy store, it will go straight to Printify, and Printify will print the product and ship it to the customer's location. They will handle all the printing and shipping charges, and they will give you the profits after deducting these charges from your sale amount. Printify is the best platform to create your product designs and to create and sell custom design products. You don't need to invest any money to create your products, design them, or do anything in the process. Just create images using AI. You can also use Printify AI images for that. Upload your designs to Printify products, connect your Printify shop to Etsy, and boom, you will be able to generate money like these shops in just a matter of few months. Once again, I will leave a link to Printify in the description of this video and the pinned comment. You can register yourself from there and start making money from today itself. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.